In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can animate your pixel art or sprites in Photoshop. So I expect that you have already made your pixel art that you're going to animate, so I'm not going to go into too much detail on how to make that. But I'm going to tell you that you're gonna need at least 2 layers that you're going to use in animation, and these could be like, for example, I have a mouth in 2 layers, and I also have eyes and few other that I use when I animate Tico. But you can't animate anything in this workspace, so let's get over in Window, go to Workspace, and in here we're going to choose Motion. Now this might look a little bit different if you're using, let's say, older version. I'm using currently the Photoshop CS6, I think. Yep. And it might also look like this. But for our purposes, when we are creating animations using sprites or pixel art, it's better to use this kind of. And now we have clean slate to begin. So we already have 1 frame in here, and to add more, we'll just press this button, like so, and now we have 2. Now everything that you do in the first frame is going to affect all the other frames. Now to create an animation, we are going to need these layers that we have, and we are also gonna need the frames that we have down here. And we will just add new frames, mix and match the layers that we have, and hope that we will get something that's at least half decent. So I'll do that, and then I will be back with you in a sec. Now as a default, the Photoshop will make that the animation will run only once, but we are gonna want it to run forever. So click here, and in here you have 3 options, and we'll just click the forever option, like so. And you can also set how long each frame will last by going over to 1 sec mark or whatever number you have, and clicking and setting it the way you want. And now let's press play and see how our animation looks. It's not the best, but it will do for the tutorial. Now to save your animation, we are going to go to File and Save for the web. And in here you can set the file format to GIF, and then you can also change the animation size. I usually work in quite small sprites because it's easier for me to manage, and I usually add like 800%, and then it will be usable in videos and other formats. So that's all for today. I hope you learned something new and you liked the video, and I'll see you in the next video. Se ois, moi!